10 basic reasons why ChatGPT can replace you. Availability. ChatGPT is available 24/7 while human being might not be available all the time. No personal information. People can share their problems and personal information with ChatGPT without worrying about being judged or the risk of personal information being shared with others. I think this is one of the main important reasons most of the human beings would like to have a chat with ChatGPT compared to having a chat with other human beings. No social anxiety. People who suffer from social anxiety may find it easier to talk to a ChatGPT as it won't judge or criticize you, which means you'll be more open and feel safe to share anything and everything you want to. Consistency. ChatGPT can provide consistent responses and don't get tired, emotional, or distracted like humans can. Which means you can have a chat with ChatGPT anytime you want to, it will never get distracted like any other human being. Efficiency. ChatGPT can process information faster than humans, so it can provide a quick answer to any of your questions. Knowledge. ChatGPT have access to vast amount of information and knowledge which it can use to answer a wide range of any of your questions. Non-judgmental. It doesn't have any bias, opinions, or prejudice like humans do, so it can provide unbiased responses. Language barriers. ChatGPT can communicate in multiple languages, which can be helpful when there are language barriers between two people. Learning. Interacting with ChatGPT can be a learning experience as people can ask questions and get information on a wide variety of topics. This is the best thing I would say. So you can ask anything and everything to ChatGPT. All the information, it's sort of like at your fingertips. No time constraints. People can take as much as time they need to ask questions and get answers without feeling like they're taking up someone else's time. Most of the time when you have a conversation with someone, you can see it on their face like, hey, you know what, I'm busy right now, you're wasting up my time. You feel insecure that am I wasting his time or her time, what should I do right now, which you can completely avoid when you have a chat with ChatGPT. So what do you think?